Molineux got the tackle in. Paisley there. Osborne. Sinton breaking for Wolves. Getting in a long cross. Comes through to Akinbaye. Goal number 6 for the big man. Number 6 in 6 minutes. Lovely finish. We can look at an away record that suggests they can do things. It's a good looking cross from Butterfield. Groves! Oh dear. Paul Groves. Butterfield got the cross in, hit the crossbar, in fact. And Groves, well, should have hit the target. Just a minute to half time. Grimsby still putting the pressure on. It was a good tackle from Osborne. Looked like a kick there. The referee was in a good position to see that. Crowd are baying for blood. And it's Groves who missed that chance. And he's off! If we can have a look at another look close in here. See if there was a kick. Oh yes, he's off. Emblem. He's done so much damage down this left-hand side. Sinton finds him again. It's given Sinton a lot of options here. A lovely header from Akinbaye! It's his second, and that should make it safe. A lovely looping header. Danny Coyne, no chance. So, Wolves go in search of the third. Taylor. Akinbaye comes in again! And it's his third! And it's Wolves' third! The hat-trick man scores his 8th of the season, and he'll take the ball home tonight.